Good morning, class. I'm going to show you guys how to make this cute little cow today. And so this morning I've got just a regular paper plate and I've cut out some little spots to put on it. And I cut out a little snout to put on it as well. The way I did this was I just took this bowl and I turned it over on my pink paper and I just traced around it with my pencil. So I just went around the bottom of it with my pencil. And you can do that with anything. It doesn't have to be a bowl. You just maybe want it right around this size. And then I have black paper for cutting out the ears. And as I showed you before, the spots. And then I have some glue and my scissors and my little googly eyes. You don't have to have googly eyes, as you guys can see on my sample here. I just used pen, so you don't have to have googly eyes, don't worry. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and grab a pen and draw a nice little happy face right on here for our little cow. And then I'm going to give it two little snouts as well. And the way I did those is just putting two little ovals right here towards the top. It almost looks like its own little happy face when we get finished with it. It's pretty similar. And then we'll just put those over here and we'll make sure to glue that down in just a bit. So you can have as many spots as you want. You can see here I have 2, 4, 6. But you can put more spots on if you want to. And if you don't have black paper, that's okay, because you can just go ahead and color some of your paper black. Or if you have a pencil, you can just, color it gray. That's okay too. All right, so let me get out my glue. We're going to put glue all over the back of it. Here we go. See if we can pretty much cover it. And then we'll smush that right down on there. There we go. Okay. And then what we can go ahead and do next is, I have these because the little googly eyes that I have are not quite big enough, I don't think, for this cow. So I'm just putting little white pieces of paper behind it. So I've got one there, and I'm going to cut out this one. And that will just make the eyes look a little bit bigger. But, again, you guys don't have to do it that way. You guys can have your own little googly eyes. Let's see if I can get this off, because I might have my lovely assistant help with the other one. Can you help, lovely assistant? Yeah. Thank you. All right, and we'll put those right up there. And then we'll glue our googly eyes on. Let's see if we can get them to stick pretty well. Maybe they will want to stick. We'll see. We might end up using tape. Oh yeah, we might end up using tape. We will see. Okay. Did you get that one, lovely assistant?
No. Oh,
Not
finally.
quite.
Yes, I did.
Oh, good.
Can I take a moment?
All right, so we'll put that one right there. And then we'll see if we can go ahead and get this other one to stick as well. Glue it right on there. And again, if it doesn't stick, if your googly eyes don't stick just with glue, it's okay to go ahead and get some tape and do that instead. All right, so then we put a little bit of glue on the bottom of one of the ears and put it underneath here and try and squish that down a little bit. And we have to remember to do our spots too. I think I forgot to do that spot. Okay, and then we'll put it right on the tip of our other ear and put that ear in there as well. squish that down a little bit so we make sure that it stays. And then, let's see. You know what? I think our cow needs maybe one more spot. So let's see if we can do that real quick. We'll take our paper and we'll maybe give our cow one more spot. You can make your spots round, you can make them oval, you can make them pretty much any shape you want. Because cows don't always have oval or round spots. Sometimes they have a bunch of different other colors too, or other different colors. All right, so we'll go ahead and put those there. If you guys don't have any black paper or can't do black, like I said, you can do gray, or you could also just do brown. Brown is a pretty common color, and I think that's it. All right, guys, so hopefully you made your cute little cow, and thank you for joining me today. Have fun.